Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS SmartMates lesson. Click on New Document, select the Assembly template and click OK. In the Open dialog, select the housing part, use the machine configuration and click Open. Click on Hide Show and make the origins visible. Locate the housing in the origin and hide the origins to continue. In the Assembly tab, click on Insert Component, select the side cover, use the machine configuration and open it. Click in the screen to add the side cover to the assembly. Click and drag to locate if needed. Hold down the Alt key, click and drag the edge onto the housing's edge. Hold down the Alt key, click and drag the hole's face onto the housing's hole. From the Component Pattern drop-down command, select Mirror Components. Select the front plane and the side cover. Click Next to preview and click OK to finish. From a Windows Explorer window, drag the worm gear shaft into the assembly window as shown. Right-click on the shaft, select Move with Triad and locate it as indicated. Hold down the Alt key and drag the edge indicated onto the side cover. Select the Open command, open the Worm Gear Complete part, and select the menu Window, Tile vertically. Drag the inside face of the worm gear into the assembly window and drop it in the worm gear shaft. Confirm the concentric mate and click OK. Maximize the assembly window. Select the Mate command, expand the Advanced Mates, and select the Width Mate. Select the inside faces of the housing, activate the tab selection box, select the gear faces, and click OK. Close the Mates command. Click on the housing and select Hide Component from the context toolbar. Move the shaft and gear. Select the two faces and add a parallel mate. Click on the housing in the Feature Manager and select Show Component. Use Insert Component to add the offset shaft gear and locate it above the housing. Hold down the Alt key and drag the edge onto the hole indicated. While holding the mouse, release the Alt key and press the Tab key to reverse the direction. Release the mouse at the correct direction. Add the top cover to the assembly Right-click and select Move with Triad. Move and rotate as indicated. Hold down the Alt key and drag the cover's edge to the housing edge. Release the Alt key and press Tab to flip the mate. Release the mouse with the correct orientation. Hold down Alt and drag the selected face. After releasing it, add a parallel mate. Select the top cover and change its color. Click on Keep Visible and change the rest of the component's color. Cancel the color command to finish.